Hey everybody, this is my '02 Ford Ranger. The other day I had problems with not cranking. Every time I would turn the key, it would just get clink, clink. So I changed starters, and then it still had the same problem. So I went inside the fuse box. I thought it was the starter solenoid, which is this one right here. Changed that. That didn't fix it. I looked online and I seen where it was somebody had that their hot cable was corroded up into the cable some around the plastic. But mine turned out to be in my ground cable. It was corroded up under this thing right here. Every time I would turn the starter, it would sound like the starter was bad. All it would do was a clink, clink. But after a day of working on it, that was my problem right there. Just corrosion under the ground side. But it's doing good now. So, hope this helps somebody.